"2023 has been brought in with celebrations in cities around the world. Ticker tape showered down in New York's Times Square, while the Berlin night sky was illuminated by a spectacular firework display. In Madrid, it was to the Puerta del Sol square that revelers went to eat 12 grapes, the traditional Spanish way of seeing in the new year. While in London, there was a spectacular display over the River Thames. For many cities, it was the first time since the outbreak of the COVID pandemic